Hello friends, today's video is about the plant Ixora and it belongs to the family Rubiaceae. तो हमें जानना है ये Rubiaceae में क्यों रखा जाता है. It's a very showy ornamental plant. প্রত্যেক বাগানে এই গাছটা দেখা যায়. It's a shrub. এটা একটা গুল্ম প্রকৃতির গাছ, ঝোপ তৈরি করে. Now regarding phyllotaxy, the arrangement of leaves are opposite and decussate. अभी हमें देखना है लीफ कैसे होते हैं. The leaves are simple and stipulate. Stipule plays an important role in the family Rubiaceae. I am showing you the stipule. That arrow mark structure is none other than the stipule present in between the petioles. Yes, this one is the stipule. The stipules in the family are interpetiolar and intrapetiolar. In this plant, it is interpetiolar, that is present in between the two petioles of the two leaves. So this one is one of the most important diagnostic feature of the family Rubiaceae. Now I have to talk about the inflorescence. Inflorescence is cymose corymb type. अभी हमें देखना है क्यों साइमोस और क्यों कोरिम्ब. Now look at the flowers, especially pedicels. Pedicels are of same height. Here flower number 1 and another flower number 2. Flower 1 is older than the flower 2. That is, flower 1 is born at the top of the rachis and the flower 2 below that one. That is why it is cymose. अभी हमें देखना है ये करीम क्यों होता है. Pedicels attain a same level, so corimb. So the inflorescence is cymose corimb type. Now the number of sepals in the calyx is 4 and they are united to form the gamosepalous condition. And the number of petals is also 4 and again gamopetalous. Number of stamens 4, that is the flower is tetramerous. That is the floral appendages are multiple of 4, sepals 4, petals 4, stamens 4. Hence the flower is tetramerous. Now we have to see the angle between the corolla lobe and corolla tube. It is 90 degree. Tube and lobes make 90 degree. So the flower is shelver shaped. Regarding symmetry, the flower is actinomorphic, that is radially symmetrical. Now regarding the flower, it is epigynous and ovary is inferior because all the floral appendages are born above the ovary. This one is the female structure, ovary, style and stigma. Ovary is inferior than calyx united, that is Gamosipelus. Number of carpel 2 united, that is Syncarpus, ovary inferior, and placentation is axile. Regarding the fruits are none other than berry. So these are the diagnostic features of the family Rubiaceae. Now I will discuss on the basis of the floral diagram. This one is the floral diagram as well as floral formula. Very important characters. Mother axis, united calyx, then united corolla, epipetalous stamens, and at the center ovary. And bracts are also present. Now the diagnostic features in a nutshell. The plant is a shrub. Leaves simple, opposite, stipules interpetiolar, flowers in cymose carym, flower actinomorphic, tetramerous, epigynous, salver shaped, stamens epipetalous, carpels 2, syncarpus, placentation axile, fruit berry. Hence, the plant, that is Ixora, belongs to the family Rubiaceae. Hope you will enjoy the video and it will help you to identify the family Rubiaceae. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.